Yesterday, I evaluated and reviewed our bounty campaign, and I discussed next steps with Blockchain IL and with Amazix. I also evaluated another project management program that we're considering, and I began a spreadsheet matrix for the BVLOS policies that I researched the other day. Today, I'll be expanding on that matrix. I'm also going to do my weekly evaluation and ongoing monitoring of our social channels, and I will be preparing for our comms call. See you tomorrow.
Hey, good morning. So the crazy week of interviews continues. Yesterday I actually had 3 different interviews and 1 test that went as late as 10:30 p.m. It was a crazy day. Did manage to get some work done between those interviews, integrating some pull requests both from the community and from one of our developers. Today I've already done 1 more test, and I have a number of calls with potential partners and collaborations today. People from vehicle companies, aviation, really exciting stuff. I will also be preparing everything we need for a new developer that will be joining the team next week. Really cool guy. You'll hear from him very soon. See you tomorrow.
Hey there, DailyDAVers, Alec here. So happy birthday WeWork Hazarem. Me and Hadar were just at the lobby of the WeWork. There were a lot of candies and very nice people, and we just celebrated 1 year of operation of the WeWork. Me and Tal are getting ready to talk to 3 CEOs of different autonomous vehicle companies throughout the day. That looks extremely promising. I'll get you more updates soon. Bye, guys.
Hey everybody, Joe Laporta here. So yesterday had a very good day. We had a good internal executive meeting in the morning, and then what I worked on was a few content pieces that are going to be pushed out in the next week or 2. Also did some general strategy work on the community building and paid advertising, as I've been mentioning, which we're working with one of our partners on as well. Today was also a really, really great day. We had some awesome calls with some new potential advisors, so really excited for that to move along. And then also did some work on that continued content piece, as I've been mentioning, and then also worked with the broader team on a few additional assets as well. So a great day overall. Thanks everybody, have a good night.
Hi everyone. Yesterday I started designing a new beautiful innovation, futuristic, sleek and sexually styled guide for DAV. I made color gamma, typography, icon style for new project. Today I'll plan continue work for our new guide style. I'll add a few new elements, imagery, etc. Have a nice day and see you tomorrow.